Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 28th of April, 2020. 3 days left, Thursday, the end of the month of April, from a statement printing perspective. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. The S&P was up better proportionately than the NASDAQ today. Still did not take out the highs of the last week or two, but it was we gapped up and went a little bit higher. So we'll look at that. When we look at the intraday action, let's go through the major daily charts. Here's the crude oil number down at $12.93. Yuck. Gold down $11.40 to $17.24. The S&P cash closed at 41.74. Trying to get up to that 62% fib. That's the green line. NASDAQ 100 up 51.06. Very near the highs of last week. The SOX up 22.48. Biotech's up 44.13. It's a new closing high in biotechs. Again, everything gapped up. Russell 2000 up 48, trying to break out here. The VIX down $2.64 to 33.29. The trend closes at 0.71. Puts the 10-day moving average at 1.14. NASDAQ volume 3.6 billion shares, which is about where we've been average-wise. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 1890. More stocks up then down plus 1650 on the New York. Google loses $5.74. Apple closes up 20 cents only. Remember, the NASDAQ side did not perform well. So you got Google down, Apple basically flat, Netflix down $3.61, Amazon down 34.22. Tesla's the big one that's up 73.60 points on Tesla, heading back towards those all-time highs. Facebook down as well, $2.57. Goldman Sachs was up. The banks were up 6.54 on the Goldman Sachs. Nice little pound there. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 3.18. The Dow was up 358 points. Meanwhile, we got a 5-minute candles on the ES. So here's the day. A little gap up, very brief pullback. An hour in, we're basically sitting where we started, and then we kind of moved up until lunchtime, and then just dead flat. One brief move up, and then dead flat. Not a lot of excitement, not a lot of action. Here's the NASDAQ side, meanwhile, actually closed lower than it opened. So again, it wasn't much of a day from a trading perspective. We had a couple winners, but it is what it is. In terms of economic data on Tuesday, goods trade balance and preliminary wholesale inventories an hour before the bell. The S&P Housing Price Index 30 minutes before the bell. Consumer Confidence and Richmond Manufacturing Index 30 minutes in, and we start a 2-day Fed meeting with the Fed announcement coming on Wednesday. That's it. We'll see what we can find. Dig it up tomorrow. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading